Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing HeyGen and Manus AI to find out which one speaks more like a real person in 2025. With AI voice getting better every year, it's a big deal to find one that sounds natural and engaging. HeyGen specializes in AI-generated video avatars and lifelike speech. Its voice are designed to be expressive and clear, making it great for presentations, marketing, and any situation where a natural-sounding AI host is needed. The emotional tone and pacing often feels very close to real human speech. Manus AI focuses on more professional and business communication. Its voice capabilities aim for clarity and precision, which is perfect for tasks like document reading, customer service, and automation. While speech is clear and understandable, it can sometimes sound a bit more robotic compared to HeyGen's warmer, more conversational style. So, if you're after a more natural, human-like voice with express delivery, HeyGen takes the lead. But if you want reliable, clear, and professional speech, Manus AI is a solid choice. In 2025, it comes down to whether you want your AI to sound more like a friendly person or a precise assistant. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like, comment your questions, and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Catch you in the next video.